Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to fix WhatsApp sorry this media file does not exist on your internal storage problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Play Store or open on Play Store. Click on search bar. Search WhatsApp. Update WhatsApp app if available on Play Store or App Store. Tap on hold WhatsApp. Click on app info. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage. In this way, you can solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.